Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make that unripe plantain that will blow your mind. So delicious and so tasty. So without further ado, let me take you into the video, and please don't click out, because if you click out you will miss a lot. Let's dive into it. So first thing first, people, I've already started cooking the goat meat I'm using for this recipe, and here I'm checking the texture and it's already fast 60% cooked, and that is why I'll be adding in my finely chopped unripe plantain. People, I'm just going to show you the unripe plantain itself because I already did the dicing and I washed. This is what it's looking like, and I soaked with salt just to add taste to the unripe plantain. I soaked for about 5 minutes before adding it here. Nothing special, I did that for my own purpose. Okay, so people, here you can see me adding in that finely chopped unripe plantain. Remember, you can chop as you like to any shape you want, but this is just the circular method I love to do it. And then people, after this process, I'm just topping in the meat stock I had in the house. I'm going to be scooping it into this pot without adding in the oil. You just see how that is also going to be. Just stir first, and after stirring, make sure at this point also you have boiled your water. You've boiled your hot water. And here is the meat stock I was talking about. I scooped under 2 spoons of that, and then I set aside the rest to use it for other things as I deem fit. So after this, people, adding your boiled hot water so that the cooking process will not be slowed down. So here is my dried onions, which I just sprinkled into it. Here is my garlic powder. I also sprinkled it, and then here is my seasoning cube. Squeeze that in. And also, people, I'll be adding in my shrimps powder, and that's just what you saw me doing. And after this, I added in my fish powder, which I blended by myself. I normally store that in the freezer, and here is the white pepper. I store in the freezer the fish powder so that it doesn't get spoiled. And here is my black pepper. All list of ingredients will be left in the description box, but please remember to check that out at your convenience and opt out anything you don't like about the ingredients added. You can still get the best result. And at this point, cover and let this cook up. And like this video, remember to share. Don't forget to leave a resounding comment at the end. And in case you're new, remember to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime I upload new videos. So adding your salt as required. Taste first before adding. Then here is my finely washed dried fish, and I'm just doing adding that little by little. And people, make sure you wash thoroughly to avoid eating sand in your plantain, because sometimes these dry fish, they tend to have sand. So clean properly with hot water and salt to get the best results. So here is my finely blended fresh pepper, crayfish and onions, and this is what you saw me adding in. So I'm going to rinse that off so that we don't waste anything in Mom Essy kitchen. Remember, we don't like wasting Mom Essy kitchen. So here is my palm oil. I'm actually adding a very little of it because I don't want it to be too bright. I just wanted a moderate unripe plantain, and this is just it. I hope you're enjoying every part of this video, and you can see right now that this has cooked up. And now I'm adding in my dried and finely washed scent leaf, and also my spinach that was frozen. These are the 2 leaves I use. You can actually use just spinach. And here is my finely chopped onions to leave that crunchiness of an onion towards the end of your cooking. Did you get that? Yes, you did. So you can see how this is looking inviting, delicious, and was very healthy. I hope you know the benefit of unripe plantain. In case you don't know, I'll be leaving that as well in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, share, and don't forget to comment, as it's about to end. And people, I just cooked this and I love it, and this is ready. Take it off the fire and please bring out your plate and let's dish with me, people, and enjoy every part of this until it's time to eat. Then you hear my voice again. So check this out, people. Done and dusted. Let's go and enjoy this. Check. Who is checking this? The goat meat is checked. The unripe plantain is checked, all ingredients nicely checked. Did you see that? Yes. Eat with me. Thanks all for watching up to this time, and on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.